Hey everyone, so lately I've been dealing with a really bad dry scalp. I would see all these spots all over my hairline. I tried everything to fix this, but nothing worked. So I decided to go to a dermatologist to see what's up and found out it was due to irregular pH levels. So she prescribed a shampoo that I should be using 2 to 3 times a week and a cream twice a day. Yes, the shampoo does have sulfates, so they really dried out my hair. But right after, I will make sure that I deep condition and get all the moisture back in my hair. During this time, I focused on only these products to style my hair. These are my favorite combos right now. Kept on using it through the whole treatment to avoid any change up. The products used were the As I Am leave-in conditioner with the Jessi Curl gel. I made sure I used a lot of leave-in conditioner because my hair needs it, and sprayed a lot of water. I take a small section at a time and style it with a brush. Then I do a praying hand method and seal it with a gel, then scrunch. The styling technique, as you can see, I use the half up, half down method. As soon as I seal my curls with the gel, I scrunched. To avoid this from happening again, I will for sure start testing all my new products with the pH level strip and see if it's good to use. After I'm done styling my hair, I applied the prescribed cream all over my hairline, especially the areas that were dry and scaly. I kept on doing this for a couple of weeks until I saw results. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.